Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change our wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our wallpapers options and how to change our wallpaper. So we need to go to settings first. Then we are looking for our, where it is, here it is, wallpaper and style function. And here we have our current wallpapers. Of course, when we go in here, we have a few wallpapers, a few default ones, so we can use anything from here. Moreover, we can choose if we want to have our wallpaper change on the lock screen or home screen or both. Let's use both. Yes, we like it. Done. Back out, and as you can see, our wallpaper has been changed. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.